Today, I want to show you how to make matcha ice cream. Do you like matcha? I think matcha is so popular in the world. And then my son Kengo, he loves matcha somehow. Matcha is usually very bitter, but he likes it. Of course, he can drink matcha green tea itself like this. But he likes matcha related products like matcha ice cream, matcha pound cakes, and matcha cookies as well. In summertime, I usually serve matcha ice cream at the end of the class, and people love this ice cream. They also wanted to know how to make this ice cream, so that's why I started to create this video. So I hope you like it. So let's get started. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Now we put matcha powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, and also add hot water in a small bowl and mix very well. You can also use a whisk. Prepare another bowl. Then crack 3 eggs. Add half the rest of the sugar into 3 times and mix until it becomes thickened. Now we gather matcha mixture and egg mixture together and lightly mix. We've got this green color. Now it's time to prepare whipped cream. So pour the fresh cream and the rest of the sugar in another bowl and mix them until it stays hard. Now gather the matcha mixture and the whipped cream together. Don't mix too hard. Then I like this moment. Pour in a container and freeze for 4 to 5 hours. And it's also good to stir every 2 hours. So matcha ice cream is done. So let's start tasting. So green color. Itadakimasu. Itadakimasu. He was patient until now. Good. Delicious. So of course you can decrease or you can increase more matcha powder. It depends on you, but I like this bitterness. It's good balance of bitterness and sweetness. Wow! He eats a lot. Matcha has a lot of nutrition, so this is very healthy dessert. And if you're vegan or vegetarian, maybe it's better to use a soybean-based fresh cream. It's gonna be vegan version matcha ice cream. He ate all of it. Done. よかったね。美味しかったね。もう食べる。Wow! He says he wants to eat more. Since it's sweet, so don't eat too much. How was the recipe today? I hope you enjoyed and create this recipe to your family and friends. Well, thank you so much everyone. See you next time. Bye bye. Good. 上手だね。よくできたね。よし。